Here is a quick recap from the last video.
This is where we were. Now, that whole mess of a thing is because of the grass, me, and everything else going on. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna keep going because this stuff's gotta happen. And I'll just wait it out. Gotta be done. This is by no means perfect, but it definitely gets the job done. And I will check back on it in a month, see how it pushes. Also, come up with a system that will swing and sway and move and allow the water to push through, because I need it to function. But for now, it works. It'll hold in animals, won't hold back water. Sounds like a win.